Maria.
And my name is Tatiana.
And we are both student content creators here for the university. Today, we are going to be walking you through dorm essentials that we think you need when first coming to UK.
The university does have an official list of do's and don'ts to bring to campus, and we will link that down in the description below. However, these are things that we found useful that we just wanted to give that out to y'all.
We do have our list down here, so if you see us looking down, that's why. My first thing is a sweatshirt holder. So when coming to college, I personally like bringing a lot of sweatshirts wherever I am. By having a sweatshirt holder that I can hang in my closet, keeps all my sweatshirts in one place, and it reduces space that I would need elsewhere for them.
The second thing we included on our list was a door hanger for shoes. This is personally what I have in my room. Of course we have our closet space on the bottom, but I don't really think it's enough for the amount of shoes I have. And really a lot of my clothes are kind of block my vision of my shoes on the bottom, so it's really helpful for me to have my shoe hanger on the door so I can just easily grab my shoes and go.
So number 3 on my personal list, Tatiana doesn't have this, but I need them to function in my dorm, and it's curtains. I do not like natural light in the morning, and I just do not like it. For some reason I can't sleep through it. Tatiana, you've been able to sleep through it the past 2 years in a dorm, haven't you?
I feel like I need curtains now. It's gotten rough just because the way our building is situated. I'm getting blasts of sunshine every single morning. I hate it.
One thing I will note, our dorm from last year and this year do have different size windows. So before, if you are interested in curtains at all, I would measure your window before you get it, so you're not getting the wrong size rod, getting the wrong size curtains, because some dorms do have different size windows, and it'll be important to know that before you buy it.
Next on our list is desk lamps. Personally, I don't know if you have one.
I kind of do.
Kind of, but I got my desk lamp at Walmart, and even though we have lights in our room, just general university lights, it doesn't do really much when I just want to study at night. And so I definitely would recommend that, just because it's a useful thing to have in your dorm.
Makes it feel more homey.
Yeah, a little more homey.
A little more homey. I do know UK, they don't allow some lampshades. I guess they're more flammable. So double check that in the link below of what lampshades you can bring. I recommend mirrors in my room. We have obviously the large bathroom mirror in our bathroom in our common area, but I like to get ready in my own room in the morning, or if I'm going to bed at night and doing a skincare routine and doing my hair or whatever. I actually have one on my desk, and I have one of those cheap full-length ones that you just get at Walmart. I think you have one too. Yeah. They're super cheap, and I just place mine on my wall. I've had it for the past 2 years, and I think they're good enough they're small enough to have in a dorm. They don't take up much space when packing and bringing all your stuff here. So I personally find that an essential for me to get ready in my room in the morning.
Well, personally, I have mine hanging on my door, so it's like she said, it's not in the way, and definitely, but do be careful with that because it can be dangerous if you shut your door too much. Not that I would know. Next on our list would be storage ottoman, or well, in my case it's a storage ottoman, but just storage bins in general, because really I need as much space as I do, because I have a little trinkets lying around, and just having somewhere to put it, or just getting drinks from the store and not having enough room in the fridge, I put them in there too. So it's just a really beneficial tool for just in your dorm if you don't have enough space for the things you need.
So kind of piggybacking off of that, just speaking of storage areas, listen, there's a lawnmower or something going out. We're just all gonna have to deal with it. Up next on our list, kind of piggybacking off of storage, is totes. This is more or less when you're coming to UK. I think totes are one of the most practical ways to bring stuff to UK. Walmart has these really tall ones that you can pack a ton of things into. And our beds, I forget how many feet there are underneath our beds. So our beds sit high at UK. Yes. So you will have a lot of underneath bed storage that I store all my totes in, just throughout the year when I'm not going back home or moving or whatever.
So our next thing on the list would be a desk organizer. I actually have 2 on my desk because I have a lot of pens and other desky type things that are stationary, and you're just gonna need it because you're gonna have pens, you're gonna have note cards, and sticky notes, and you're just gonna need a place to put that where so you can keep your desk like organized and have like enough space to put your laptop on there and stuff. So I definitely recommend getting that.
Okay, this next one I'm really passionate about because I think this is an essential when living in a dorm. Like, I will die on this hill, is having a laundry basket that rolls. Do you have one?
No, however, as someone who does not, I'm telling you, she's telling the truth. I have to carry mine down to the laundry room, and it's a pain every single time.
I'm all for getting pieces in your dorm room that fits your vibe, fits your aesthetic, whatever. But I also think you should also get practical things. I'm a firm believer in that, and a roller basket is definitely one of them. That's like almost my number one essential for anyone coming to UK or living in a dorm in general.
And now our next thing is probably going to be my number one essential for coming to UK, and it's a shower caddy. I'm telling you guys, you need one. Go to Target, they're at Walmart. You can get them pretty much anywhere, but you need one. UK has pretty good showers, I will admit to that. However, we do need more storage space in the showers because there are 2 people living here. So shower caddies are so beneficial for that. You'll get more room in the shower and just more stuff, more room to put your stuff. Next thing on our list is a dish drying rack. Of course, it's pretty beneficial to have one. Obviously, you're gonna want to have like utensils when you come, and you're gonna have to clean those utensils. So hopefully.
Okay, and next essential is more of a I don't know, like a bed item. I think everyone should bring like 2 pairs of sheets for college. I hate doing laundry in general, personally. Some people may love it, but personally I just don't like it. So if I have to already do my clothes, my lights and my darks, and then do another load of my sheets, I'm like, it's just too much. But for those weekends or for those nights that you're like, okay, I want a clean pair of sheets, but I don't want to have to take my sheets off, wash these and do it, at least you have an extra pair of sheets that you can just toss on your bed.
Next thing is a storage area for dishes. Right now what we have is like this 2-tiered storage, just this 2-tiered storage thingy.
From IKEA.
Yeah. It's very cute, and it definitely helps with keeping the countertop clean and like in a controlled area. The next thing you're gonna want to bring is a surge protector, just because I'm telling you, this thing is highly, highly, highly essential. You're gonna have a lot of stuff to plug in. We all know it. You're gonna have your laptop, phone charger, lamps, and some beauty stuff you want to plug in, like your curling iron if you have one. There's just a lot of things that you're going to need to plug in that the outlets in your room are just not going to be enough for. Oh wait, do not do this with your surge protector. Do not plug your surge protector in and then plug another surge protector in with it. Do not do that. That is very dangerous. And our last thing on the list is a coat rack.
I do think it's a good essential. I not only hang my coats on it, but I also hang my towels on it. The bathroom does give you towel hooks to hold on it, like attached to the wall already. But just if you're coming back in the shower from like the shower to your bedroom, I like to just have a hook right here. So kind of just to wrap up the video, we want to list some stores that we found a lot of our stuff in. Target.
Five Below, I'm telling you, that's a good one.
Walmart. They have a whole like home and appliance sections that you can find a lot of good dorm essentials in.
Bed Bath & Beyond.
Bed Bath & Beyond. I found, I think my throw pillows or something from there. Even just like decorations, you can find stuff at Bed Bath & Beyond, not even just like essentials and appliances and stuff like that. IKEA. IKEA is a big one. I know IKEA, not everyone has an IKEA around them. So like, let's say you're going on like a family trip somewhere. This was in my circumstance. We like went to Cincinnati for whatever reason, and they have an IKEA there. We picked up some stuff when we were visiting just to bring back.
And Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah, that's essentially like if you're trying to find dorm stuff on Amazon. It's the off-brand IKEA. You can find anything there.
And a couple things just like on the official list, which again, link down in the description. We just want to mention just a couple things on there. Cleaning supplies. I think a lot of people like, I am a college ambassador for the College of Communications, and we do get like these kind of questions a lot, is if there's a cleaning service. And there's not. You do have to clean your own dorm, your own bathroom, your own kitchen all of it. So definitely bring cleaning supplies. A couple other things just throughout the official list that they mentioned that were like, oh yeah, that's pretty good. Chip clips. We actually had chip clips last year. We don't have them this year, and I think we both missed them. And there really is no good reason why we don't have them other than every time we go to the store, we
just keep forgetting them.
We forget to buy them.
I recommend an ice cube tray if you have room in your like freezer, because your freezer is small. But I would definitely recommend that. If y'all want to check out some of the other stuff that we mentioned, check out our last video.
Yes, we made an official dorm tour, bringing around a standard 2-bedroom suite dorm here at UK, and that we also mentioned some, like a little sprinkle of dorm essentials in there as well. Any questions, any other dorm like informational videos we could give you, we would love to. We have lived in the dorms the past 2 years, and you know, we want to provide our guidance in any way we can. So leave any suggestions down in the comments, any questions you have. Again, the links in the description. You know, we want to emphasize that just because that's the official UK list. This was just our personal one that we have found through our experiences, and we just want to emphasize that so you have a written copy, and that's officially from the university.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
What she said.
Yeah. Peace out, Wildcats.
Yeah, we'll see you when we see you. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Perfect.